You're watching Gary Matidier and Sharon DeReek. This is KWQC HD News at 10.
A tough one for parents. Imagine your child is stillborn. Now imagine all the records of you as a parent are just gone. Tonight, a Davenport couple is suing the state of Iowa for erasing one of their names from the baby's death certificate. KWQC's Elizabeth Goodson tonight with their story.
Well, Gary, Jenny and Jess got married in Iowa once same-sex marriage was legal. They never thought they would have to tell this story, but this is the form the Buntemeyers filled out originally at the hospital for baby Braden. Now, you can see Jess put her name here. Now, this is where it says mother. So Jennifer wrote her name on the only other spot she could find here. That one is next to father. Now, we want to give you a look at the certificate the two got back from the state. Jessica's information is still intact right here. But you can see here, there is a big spot. And this is where they tell us Jennifer's name is gone. It was whited out. And both say they are Braden's parents, and they should be recognized that way.
It was a complete slap in the face.
The empty space on the death certificate, the last thing this couple expected. Still dealing with an empty nursery, empty hearts after delivering a stillborn baby.
I just knew.
Jess and Jenny met in the Army, fell in love during training and a tour in Iraq.
Like, I just looked at her and I just knew that I wanted to be with her.
When same-sex marriage became legal in Iowa, the two tied the knot.
I wanted kids more than anything. I still do.
Using Jenny's eggs, they went through in vitro. Jess carried the baby.
We found out if it was a boy or girl at 20 weeks.
A boy they named Braden. But 10 weeks later,
we both woke up at about the same time, like 4 or 5 in the morning, and I don't know, I mean, the feeling that I felt, I just felt empty.
The baby died in utero. The women made a memory box.
That was his coming home outfit.
It's the outfit that he would have wore when he came home.
They grieved. They tried to move forward. But just months later, the pain came back when they got back Braden's death certificate. Jenny's name wasn't on it.
It was white out, like somebody whited it out. And I was so angry. Like, I mean, I don't even think, I don't really have words for it. It was devastating, you know. It was a slap in the face.
She called the state every day looking for answers. We have called as well. Several messages and an email not returned.
I'm really just puzzled as to why the name wasn't left there. So it'll be interesting to see what their explanation is for that.
Scott County Recorder Rita Vargas was not involved with the Buntemeyers case. She says once same-sex marriage was made legal in Iowa, marriage forms changed, became gender neutral. But she hasn't seen that with birth and death certificates.
Well, I would have thought that they had took that into consideration, and you know, apparently they haven't, and it's something they're going to have to look at.
Something the Buntemeyers will continue to push for.
For Braden.
Yeah, we do it for Braden.
And for every other family who may find themselves in the same situation. In Davenport,
It's the only right thing. That's all we want.
Elizabeth Goodson, KWQC HD News.
Lambda Legal filed the lawsuit and is working on another similar case. In that, a Polk County judge just ruled that the state must issue a birth certificate listing both same-sex spouses as parents. The Iowa Department of Public Health has appealed.